The firmware upgrade feature lets you upload and install a firmware to upgrade a discovered device. The Discovered Devices table displays the firmware version of the devices. When you select a device from the Discovered Devices table, the Device Properties opens. After you set the IPv4 address, accept the HTTPS certificate, and set the password of a device, you can upgrade the firmware for the selected device. To upload the firmware, perform the following steps. Click on the Firmware Upgrade. Drop the bin file in the Select a File field, or click on the Select a File field and use the file selector to find and upload the firmware file. Then, click the Upload and Restart button and wait until your device is rebooted and upgraded.